How to add a quotes carousel to Wix. So in order to add a quotes carousel, what we can do is we can just scroll down to any part that we want to add that particular carousel. So for example, we have in here this part. Let's click onto this plus icon right here. And then click onto the search and search in here for repeater. Now from in there, this should be able to show us the repeater options for the actual Wix right there. So if instead you can find it, you can just go to the layouts and find repeaters. So for this case, let's choose in here this part since this has a quotation part right there. Just head over and then input that right here. And then as you can see, they should be added into this part. So in here, as you can see, you can add items on this repeater. Click on the this add item. For this part, you can also add media and then actually change it to your liking. Click onto this add media right here in order to add a particular part for this particular quotes carousel. For example, let's input right here first the background. Let's choose this picture and add the page. Now, the great thing about this is you can add quotation based on this part. So you can just head over and add in here some text based on the quotes that you have gotten from reviews. So that's how you add a quotes carousel to Wix. Hope we helped.